Hi everyone, I'm Sophie, and today I'll be talking to you about false friends. So how can I help you with that? Well, something you might not know is that I'm bilingual. My mom is English and my dad is Italian. So I have a lot of knowledge of how languages work, how people learn languages and different learning styles, but also a lot about false friends. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, a false friend is a word that is often confused with another word in another language. Now, the two words have two different meanings, but people often get them confused because they look or sound similar. I have a few examples for my Italian learners out there. For example, the word accident means incidente, but it kind of sounds like accidenti, which is translated to oh dear in English. Another word is annoyed, which means infastidito, but it kind of sounds like annoiato, which actually means bored. If you want other examples of false friends between English and Italian, I left you a link down in the description with the PDF with over 50 false friends. Now I want to know some false friends in your language. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Also, if you have any other questions about the English language, whether it's grammar, pronunciation, idioms, make sure to leave a comment down below and we'll be sure to answer your questions.